Hi, my name is Anthony Tran, and this is my final project for the class CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python, and I am recording this video as of January 15th, 2024. And here's where you can find me at. So this is my crafting requirements program. And to start it off, you're going to need to call this function craft_rec, and this function is going to take up to 2 arguments. The first argument being required is going to represent the item in question that you want to craft. The second argument is actually optional, but it represents the amount of that item that you want to craft. So right here I'm asking, please give me the crafting requirements for 3 caps. And if I run my program, it gives me the crafting requirements for 3 caps. And if we go down here under the requirements_dict dictionary, this shows us the default value or default crafting requirements for 1 cap. And as you can see, it gave me the crafting requirements to make 3 of that cap, or 3 caps, excuse me. And as mentioned, we can still run the program with just 1 argument. So what happens if we do this is, now the program's going to bring up an input asking how much of that item do you want to craft. And let's say I want to do 5 this time, 5 caps. And so now, as you can see, it gives me the crafting requirements to make 5 caps. And let's say you want to, for the fun of it, add your own item. You can do that by going through this dictionary over here, which kind of stores all the items. So items dictionary, and you would add the string name of the item along with an image of the item. And then to give that item crafting requirements, you'd go down here and make the item image the key, and you would give it a value of a dictionary of the crafting requirements that you want to give that item. And so now if I run this argument, it should give me, let's say I want to run 3 cakes. Let's say I want to make 3 cakes. It returns to me the crafting requirements needed to make 3 cakes. That is it. Thank you.